Trivandrum, Gospel Mirror. I'm Kesya Surendran presenting you the English news. Here is the headlines first. CCP demands church to ban minors in order to reopen. India Army bans 89 apps including Daily Hunt, Facebook and Instagram. In Pakistan, it is declared illegal for minorities to build places of worship. Detailing headlines. As the pandemic in China gradually fades out from people's attention, the country is seeking to bring everything back to normal. The Chinese Communist Party (CCP) has demanded a Catholic diocese in northern China to sign a document that bans children under the age of 18 from attending if the church wanted to reopen again. This siding church in Hebei provides also acts an orphanage for disabled children. Bishop rejected signing the document along with the entire diocese. All parishes are required to sign a pledge that will not allow minors to enter the churches, or officials will not allow them to open church, a Catholic from Xiading said. He added that the authorities were using the pandemic as a cover to suppress the church. This requirement of banning children was not part of a requirement anywhere else in China. The local authorities added by themselves, they said. Indian Army has asked its personnel to delete 89 apps from their smartphones, including Facebook, TikTok, Tinder, PUBG and Instagram to plug leakage of information, said Indian Army sources. Snapchat, Tinder, OkCupid, UC Browser, Bumble, ShareIt, Extendo, Hello, Camp Scanner, Club Factory, etc. are among these 89 apps. This came days after the government banned 59 apps, mostly China, including TikTok, UC, etc. Jamia Ashrafia, an Islamic educational institution in Lahore, has come out with a bizarre declaration that the construction of new places of worship by Christians and other religious minorities in Pakistan is illegal. Since then, Christians in the country have also been subjected to severe discrimination. In the statement issued on June 30, he said that while the existing place of worship for non-Muslims could continue in the Islamic State of Pakistan, the reconstruction of places of worship and the construction of new places of worship are illegal under Sharia law. Jamia Ashrafia announced comes in the wake of recent groundbreaking of a Hindu temple in Islamabad. Punjab Assembly says Speaker Pervez Elahi has already said that the construction of a new shrine in Islamabad is against the spirit of Pakistan. The nation was born in the name of Islam, so these things are not allowed. Briefing headlines once again. CCP demands church to ban minors in order to reopen. Indian Army bans 89 apps including Daily Hunt, Facebook and Instagram. In Pakistan, it is declared illegal for minorities to build places of worship. By this, the news have been concluded. Thank you.